Would you believe that this Instagram channel gained over 386,000 subscribers? The numbers are insane. 3.7 million likes, 3.1 million, and this one hit 4.5 million likes. And the secret isn't construction tools. It's a cinematic AI blueprint. And in today's video, I'm giving you that exact secret for free. $0 spent, zero design experience. Just a few clicks to create videos that go global. We're building a viral empire of animal transformations, and we're starting right now. Alright, step 1. Head over to ChatGPT. Forget about writing complex prompts from scratch. Just click on Apps on the left menu, and then hit GPTs. In the search box, type exactly this. Restoration time-lapse. This custom GPT is the hidden engine behind those multi-million view videos. Find it and click Start Chat. Now open the master blueprint file. You can download this for free using the link in my description. Copy the base formula, go back to ChatGPT, and simply paste it in. Here's where you make it your own. See where it says elephant? Delete that and type in any animal you want. For this example, let's go with a cat. Hit send, and let the AI do all the heavy lifting for you. Look, it worked. We now have 4 perfectly aligned templates, from an empty lawn base to the full luxury staged reveal. Now for the magic. We take these blueprints to the Flow website. Just go to Create with Flow to start the transformation. Select your canvas. We're doing vertical video, so choose Nano Banana 2 and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now we generate our images. Switch back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt text for image 1, our baseline lawn, paste it into Flow and hit generate. This is our clean foundation. Finally, switch to video and select frames in settings. We define our start and end. Upload your generated image 1 as the start and image 2, the partially built frame and growth, as the end. Now let's bring the first scene to life. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the specific prompt for the first video, paste it into Flow's command box and hit generate. Your first transition is now in the works. To complete the story, we follow the same pattern for the remaining clips. For the second video, set image 2 as your start and image 3 as your end. For the third, use image 3 as the start and image 4 as the end. Copy and paste the respective prompts from ChatGPT each time to ensure the animation is perfect. Great job! We now have our 3 cinematic clips ready. The final step is to head over to CupCut. Simply import and merge your videos together, add some smooth transitions and trending music, and you're done. Just like that, you've turned a simple idea into a professional, viral-ready masterpiece. It's that easy.
Put that lounge chair right there. Careful with the stones. All right, testing the lights now.